Hi guys, now you're with me Rainy Day as always. Few seconds ago, the video that you just saw, it was my drawing. So right now, as you see, I'm looking up on Pinterest. There's like one article saying that they have 45-minute drawing of eye. So I want to know if it actually work. Let's see. For today, I'm going to use 6B pencil. I like it very much and that's how I'm going to trace the eye shape. So let's start. So first let's start with 2 minutes of tracing an eye. Um, that eye look like almond eye shape. So I'm going to do just a light pleasure. I'm not sure if you guys can see it. Let me make it darker. Okay. And now it's eyelash. So guys, I just check. I actually spent like 3 minutes, not 2 minutes like the picture said. And I think it's depend on people experience. I don't have much experience over this. I never take cars. So also guys, when you start to coloring, don't forget to go to another layer, because when you fix something, it not it's not gonna interfere with your a line that you were tracing before. And when you wanna delete or erase or something, you don't need to worry about those lines that you were doing. So inside eyeball they have messy line. I'm going to choose a 6B pencil again to make those messy line allow black eyeball. By the way, right now I'm at the second step of drawing an eye. So for this step, it's like you start to put some highlight and black color more in your eyeball. So let's start and see what it actually look like after the second step. Wow, guys, we almost there. Look at the picture on my hand. The one on my phone is 45 minutes of drawing, and the result is so awesome. And look at your right hand on my iPad. That is my result. But as I told you, this is my first time of drawing an eye. I used to draw an eye, and I actually spent like almost 2 hours just for drawing one eye. So this is take like very quick time. So that is the result. Okay, now I'm using a pen to make those lines definite more. And for the eyelid, I would use a ink breed pen. Is that ink breed? I don't think it's ink breed. I think it's another pen. Just allow there, guys. Use the pen that you like. I'm going to make some more small eyelash. Okay, so that last step result is like what you're seeing right now. I don't think this picture is good enough, but I'm going to use my trick. I'll use smudge to blend every line, guys. I will blend it all, and then we will see how is the result going to be after I'm blending those lines. As you see right now, guys, I actually spent like 30 to 35 minutes. And the part that I think it was helpful when I was using smudge helping my picture smoother and those lines go very smooth. And thank you picture from Pinterest. You guys give me so much information so I can draw the picture of eye within 45 minutes. And this is awesome. Okay, if you like my video, please subscribe, please like or comment your idea, ask me a question or even suggest me something to do. If you make your own drawing, please take a picture. I would love to see it, guys. Don't forget to do hashtag rainy day as always with all big capital as you see on your screen right now. Post it on your Instagram, Facebook, and I'll go check it out. Thank you guys. Have a good day or even good night. Bye bye.